Welcome to Part B of this second video on using Chicago style from the Carleton University Library. In the first video, we looked at the Chicago Manual of Style online. In Part A of this second video, we looked at citing a print book in footnotes and a bibliography. In Part B, we will look at how to cite an e-journal article with one author in footnotes and a bibliography. Let's get started. Footnotes are citations with two parts. One, a number in your text at the end of a clause or sentence, and two, a matching number at the bottom of the page where the first number appears. Like this. What else do you need to know? Footnotes are numbered sequentially. 1, 2, 3, 4, for example. They're single-spaced, and you have to remember to indent them. 1.27 centimeters or half an inch. An e-journal article is an article published in an online journal. To cite an e-journal article with a single author and a footnote, you'll need all of the following components. Pay attention to the order of each component, the punctuation, the use of italics and capital letters, as well as the line spacing and indentation. You start with the footnote number, followed by a period. Then the author's first name and the author's last name, followed by a comma. The title of the article in quotation marks, followed by a comma. Use upper and lowercase letters appropriately. Then the title of the journal in italics, followed by the volume number, which is followed by a comma, and the issue number. Use NO period followed by the number if an issue number is provided. Starting with a curved bracket, the year of publication, followed by a curved bracket and a full colon. Then, the specific page number or numbers upon which the information being cited appears in the journal article, followed by a comma. And finally, because the article is published online, the URL or the DOI, the Digital Online Identifier, followed by a period. Indent the first line of the footnote and make others flush with the left-hand margin. Use the author's initial or initials if included in the journal, and single-space your citation. Here's an example of a footnote for an article published in the e-journal Quebec Studies. Quebec Studies is a peer-reviewed journal. The footnote number, the author information, the title of the article, the title of the journal, and the volume number. There is no issue number for this journal. The year of publication, the page numbers upon which the information that's being cited appear in the journal article, and the URL. And we've indented correctly and single-spaced the footnote. How do you create a shortened footnote for a journal article that you've already cited in your paper? You'll need all of the following components. The footnote number followed by a period. The author's last name followed by a comma. The title of the article followed by a comma in quotation marks. Use the main title but not the subtitle, and use upper and lowercase letters appropriately. And the specific page number or numbers upon which the information being cited appear in the article. Indent the shortened footnote. Here's an example using the same article that's been published in Quebec Studies. The footnote number, the author information, the main title of the article, and the page number upon which the information being cited appears in the article. And we've indented correctly. And finally, how do you cite a journal article with one author in a bibliography? You will need all of the following components. The author's last name followed by a comma, the author's first name followed by a period. The title of the article followed by a period in quotation marks. Use upper and lowercase letters appropriately. The journal title in italics. The volume number followed by a comma. And the issue number. Use NO period followed by the issue number if provided. Starting with a curved bracket, the year of publication, finishing with a curved bracket and a full colon. the page range for the whole article followed by a period. And finally, because this is an article published in an e-journal, the URL or the DOI, the Digital Online Identifier, followed by a period. Make the first line flush with the left-hand margin, indent other lines. Include the author's initial or initials if used in the journal. And single space the citation. Here's the bibliography entry for the same article published in Quebec Studies. The author information. The title of the article. The title of the journal and the volume number. There is no issue number for this journal. The publication date. The page range for the entire article. And because this is an article published in an e-journal, the URL. And we've indented correctly and single-spaced the citation. So here's the final tip. The Chicago Manual of Style Online is available through the Carleton University Library. Use the Chicago Manual of Style Quick Guide to find examples of citations for other types of sources. This is the end of this video.